How exactly can you make Firefox your default browser? Well, it's a super simple process, and Firefox even includes a little message in Firefox itself to take you to that setting directly if it's not your default browser already. So what you can do is just simply click on those 3 lines in the top right, and then if Firefox isn't the default browser, you usually see this little message at the very top prompting you to make it so. So if you just simply click on that, it will then open up Windows Settings and take you directly to the page where you do it. At the very top you'll see a Set Default button, so just simply click on it, and just like that, Firefox will become your default browser. If for whatever reason you don't get that message, don't worry, you can also access that menu manually very easily. First off, simply just go into Windows Settings by either searching it up in the search bar in the bottom, or also just right clicking on the Start button and then clicking on Settings for a list of options that will appear. Next step, what you're going to do is click on Apps on the left hand side once you are within Settings. And once you've done that, you want to then click on Default Apps from this list that appears in the middle. Next up, what you want to do is find Firefox in this list of all of the apps. You can also search for it to make it easier. This will take you to the exact same page with that Set Default button. That means that if you also want to switch back to a different browser from Firefox, you can use this exact same menu to reach whatever else you want. So for example, if you want to switch back to say Edge or Chrome, just simply look it up in that same list and then click on it. And then once again you see that Set Default button if you want to switch away from Firefox as well. So that is exactly how you can make Firefox a default browser. As you can see, it is very easy and simple to do, and Firefox make it even simpler by including a shortcut in Firefox itself. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.